what is the difference between salary and wage? Usually we use these two words in different compensation management practices. Now, there might be many other differences, but in simple terms, wage is calculated hourly, daily, or on weekly basis. They can also be calculated with the piece rate or something. But your salaries are calculated on monthly or annual basis. Now, how they are different? Wage calculation is different, salary calculation is different. So let's suppose how wage is calculated. If you're working for 8 hours and your rate is $10, so they will eventually give you $80 or 80 rupees for these 8 hours. This is how you calculate wage. Or if your per day rate is, let's say, $100, so how many days have you given to the organization? The same way it will be calculated. Now, we are not saying that when it is given to you, we are saying the basis of the calculation. If the basis of the calculation is hourly, daily, or weekly basis, then it is usually known as a wage. Or the piece rate. The piece rate says that, let's suppose you have to stitch bed sheets, and if you stitch one bed sheet, you will be given $10. So if you stitch 100 bed sheets, you will be given wages according to the piece rate, which is one piece 10 rupees, and then $1,000 or 1,000 rupees can be given to you. So this is how you calculate. Now, it doesn't mean you might calculate the wages, but you can pay the employee after 1 month. But the basis of the calculation will be daily, hourly, or weekly, or piece rate wages. But if you talk about salary in the contract is usually mentioned in monthly basis and annual basis. So you have to perform certain tasks that are assigned to you. Sometimes they are fixed, sometimes they are flexible, but the monthly salary will remain the fix, and it will be calculated based on how many months have you worked or how many years are you working. So if there's a, let's say, annual salary of 12,000 annual, so every month you will be given 1,000 rupees or $1,000. So it is not when you are making the transaction, it is how you're calculating, which will define if it's a wage or if it's a salary. But there might be some other differences. But just before using these two words, we need to have some kind of understanding that where one is suitable.